Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, seeing beautiful, wonderful Lord Shiva's Mount Kailash puja conch from Indian Ocean. It is very, very unique collection. You see, back side looks like a Mount Kailash, and this conch gives you extreme vibration and energy of Lord Shiva. It is very, very unique collection. Very, very unique collection. Only in 10 lakhs one conch you can get like this. Very rarest collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. This conch also called as a king conch because it looks like a crown of the king. By having this conch with you, you will also become a king. You will get huge powers by having this conch with you. Such a wonderful conch it is. Lord Shiva Mount Kailash conch from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It is extremely very rare to see such a conch. It is a unbelievable collection. Very, very, very unique specimen. Very rare specimen. In one in the million we can get one conch like this. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.